Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to connect Monopoly Go to Facebook. To connect Monopoly Go with Facebook, the process is quite easy, so let's get started. First of all, open up the Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and then you will end up in this page. If you haven't connected Monopoly Go with Facebook, then from this interface, all you need to do is to tap on Play with Friends right next to the Facebook logo at the top. Now click on the Continue button in the pop-up and then you'll be redirected to the Facebook login screen from where you'll need to log into your Facebook account by entering your Facebook account's email and password. After typing it, you will then be able to see this access request page from where you'll need to allow Monopoly Go to access your name and profile picture on your Facebook, email address, and your friend list. To allow that, tap on Continue at the bottom and you have now successfully connected Monopoly Go with your Facebook account. Once connected, your Monopoly Go progress will be saved and you will be able to connect with Facebook friends who play the game. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the channel for more Monopoly Go tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.